Alright guys, this is my 2003 Yamaha Raptor 660. I'm going to show you guys today how to take off the choke cable and the throttle cable. Okay, so we're going to start with the choke cable, which has this black 12 millimeter nut right here. You're going to get your wrench and you're just going to take it loose. You may have to use pliers if yours is rounded off, but you're just gonna do exactly the same thing. Just turn it to the left. All right. All right. So this is what you're gonna pull out. I'll set that off to the side. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is take this cover right here off. It's 3 Phillips head screws. When you take this off, make sure you get the O-ring or rubber grommet that's under here. Don't let that fall. It's right there. Mine's stuck on, but that'll come off. All right, so you're gonna get you 2 8 millimeter wrenches, and this nut right here, you're gonna break this loose. Just like that. And you're gonna turn this to the left to get this disconnected. All right, so now that's loose. Now what you want to do is turn this. You can turn it, grab it and turn it all the way around. Like there. Stick something in it here to hold it. So now that's I'm holding that. Just hold it. Get your right angle. Get up under this brass, I'm gonna call it a clip. See how I got that out? Then when you get it loose, see it's loose, stick this behind it and get the cable out of here. Just like that. And pull it loose. Now take this little brass holder off. Has a hole on it on one side. It's flat on the other. Now once you get that loose, you can hold this steady. Don't let this just slam against the adjuster, okay? Because it'll strip it. Just like that. And then just pull the whole cable out. There you go. Got the whole thing loose. And that's how you disconnect the choke cable and the throttle cable from the carburetor.